Air Kentucky was a commuter airline based in Owensboro, Kentucky. It was also known for a time as Owensboro Aviation. It began operations in 1974 and joined the Allegheny Commuter system for Allegheny Airlines and later USAir Express. The airline ended its operations in 1989. The airline was mentioned in the film The Life Aquatic with Steve Zissou. One of the main characters, Ned Plimpton, is a pilot for Air Kentucky. However, in the film Ned mentioned that the airline was based out of Louisville, Kentucky. Former destinations served: Illinois, Bloomington, Champaign-Urbana, Chicago, Mount Vernon. Peoria, Springfield, Indiana, Evansville, Fort Wayne, Indianapolis, South Bend, Terre Haute. Kentucky, Bowling Green. Cincinnati, Frankfort. Lexington, London. Corbin. Louisville, Owensboro, Paducah, Missouri, St. Louis, Tennessee, Clarksville. Nashville. Those airports marked with an asterisk are no longer served by commercial airline service. Aircraft: Beechcraft Model 99, M110P Fairchild Swearingen Metroliner SA227. References: airtimes.com, timetableimages.com.